Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the incredible world of industrial machines with a showcase of 157 impressive machines operating at peak efficiency. From massive construction equipment to high-tech manufacturing robots, these machines exemplify the pinnacle of modern engineering. Let's get started. First up, let's dive into the world of mighty excavators, essential for construction and mining. Starting with the Caterpillar 6015B, known for its high performance and reliability in heavy-duty operations. Next, the Komatsu PC8000-11, a colossal machine that excels in moving large quantities of earth quickly. And don't miss the Hitachi X8000-6, a giant in the industry, offering unparalleled digging power and efficiency. Next, we have towering cranes, the giants of construction sites, lifting heavy loads with precision. The Liebherr LTM11200-9.1 is a marvel of engineering, with an incredible lifting capacity and reach. Then, the Terex Demag CC88001, a crawler crane known for its strength and versatility in handling massive loads. Finally, the Manitowoc 31000, featuring the innovative Variable Position Counterweight (VPC) system for enhanced stability and efficiency. Bulldozers are the workhorses of earth moving, and these machines lead the pack in performance and durability. The Caterpillar D11T, a powerful machine equipped with advanced technology for optimal performance. Next, the Komatsu D575A3, the world's largest bulldozer, capable of tackling the toughest terrains with ease. And the John Deere 1050K, known for its exceptional pushing power and robust build, perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Loaders play a crucial role in construction and mining, and these machines are at the top of their game. The Caterpillar 992K, designed for maximum productivity with its powerful engine and large bucket capacity. The Komatsu WA1200-6, one of the largest wheel loaders, built for heavy-duty operations and high efficiency. And the Volvo L350H, renowned for its advanced technology and reliability in demanding environments. trucks are essential for transporting heavy loads, and these impressive machines excel in efficiency. The Caterpillar 797F, a legend in the mining industry, with an enormous load capacity and robust design. Next, the Komatsu 980E4, known for its durability and ability to handle harsh mining conditions. And the Liebherr T284, combining power and advanced technology to set new standards in haul truck performance. Manufacturing robots are revolutionizing production lines with their precision and efficiency. The ABB 8700, a versatile industrial robot designed for heavy payloads and high-speed operations. Next, the Fanuc M2000EA, known for its powerful lifting capacity and flexibility in various applications. And the KUKA KR1000 Titan, one of the strongest robots in the world, capable of handling the most demanding tasks. CNC machines are at the heart of modern manufacturing, providing precision and consistency. The Haas VF650 is a versatile machining center known for its reliability and high performance in metalworking. Next, the Mozik Integrex i400, combining multiple machining processes in one platform for enhanced efficiency. And the DMG Mori DMU50, a 5-axis CNC machine offering unparalleled precision and flexibility. 3D printing technology is transforming manufacturing, and these high-tech printers are leading the way. The Stratasys F900, known for its large build volume and precision in creating complex parts. Next, the EOS M400, a powerful metal 3D printer capable of producing intricate components with high accuracy. And the HP Multi-Jet Fusion 5210, offering fast and reliable production of high-quality 3D printed parts. Assembly lines rely on advanced machines for efficient and accurate production. The Bosch APAS, an automated production assistant that enhances productivity and safety in assembly tasks. Next, the Yaskawa Motoman assembly robots, designed for precise and rapid assembly operations. And the Universal Robots UR10, a collaborative robot that works alongside humans to improve efficiency and flexibility in manufacturing. Press machines are crucial in metalworking, providing the force needed for shaping and cutting metal parts. The Komatsu H1F1100, a high-speed servo press known for its precision and power in metal forming. Next, the Schuler MML, a massive mechanical press used for large-scale metalworking projects. And the IDA DSFN2 4000, a servo press offering high efficiency and accuracy in stamping operations. These 157 impressive industrial machines operating at peak efficiency highlight the incredible advancements in modern engineering and technology. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.